Hi everyone. Just wanted to show you my 3x3 note cards. I did another swap at Your Paper Pantry and it was 3x3 note cards. And so this is what I come up with. And the inside is just blank. Oops. And here's another one. You had to make 5. And basically, I just used Graphic 45 ABC primer. I had some scraps left from that, so I used that paper and went ahead and used manila folder for the background. And then I just made another little tag to go inside the envelope with my name and YouTube address on the back. Now the envelopes, you had to make an envelope to fit. And because these are so bulky, as you can see, they're almost half an inch thick. And so I had to make an envelope. Let's see, and I had to have a 1/2 inch gusset on the side. Guys, this was pretty tough. I watched a YouTube video on how to do that, but to get it so it all turns out nice and square and closes right, it took me some time. A little bit of practice, and now that I know what I'm doing, I won't have problems with it. So I went ahead and I stamped on the closure. I just stamped friend, and then it can be tied shut with the tag on the front that also says friend. So that's my little show and tell for this evening. I hope you like them. And check out Your Paper Pantry. There's just tons of swaps going on over there, and everything is just awesome. The people are so friendly. I know you'll love it. It's only $12 a year, and if you want to swap, you can. If you don't want to swap, you don't have to until you're feeling comfortable. So check us out. Check it out on Pinterest. If you're interested, you can take a look around there and see some of the projects that are done. Thanks for watching. Bye.